In a big green forest, a little bird lived happily with her 3 tiny babies in a nest. Every morning, she flew out to find food, and in the evening, she returned to feed her babies, tell them stories, and put them to sleep with love. One day, a big fire started in the forest. The trees began to burn, and the thick smoke filled the air. All the animals ran to save their lives. The birds flew away, leaving their nests, but the little bird refused to leave her babies behind. "Mom, please don't leave us," the scared little chicks cried. The bird gently touched them with her beak and said, "I will never leave you." She quickly flew to a nearby lake, filled her tiny beak with water, and dropped it over the fire again and again. She did this even though she was getting tired. A big eagle flying above saw her and calmed down. "Little bird, do you really think your few drops can stop this huge fire?" he asked. The little bird, exhausted but determined, replied, "Maybe not, but I can show my love and do my part." Suddenly, dark clouds filled the sky, thunder roared, and heavy rain started pouring down. In just few minutes, the fire was gone. The little bird's babies were safe. The eagle, amazed, said, "Today I have learned that love and sacrifice are the greatest strengths." The little bird smiled, hugged her babies under her wings, and looked up at the sky.